The Election Commission has extended the enumeration phase of Karnataka's special intensive revision by another 10 days, taking the deadline from August 8th to August 17th. The second extension comes amid concerns over the large number of voters marked under the ASDDO category, absent, shifted, dead, duplicate, and others. At least 20% of Karnataka's 5.54 crore registered voters have been flagged under this category. The extension means voters can now approach their booth level officers or the Election Commission website until August 17th to check and correct their ASDDO status. The Election Commission has also revised the electoral roll schedule. The draft rules will now be published on August 24th, followed by the claims and objections period from August 24th to September 23rd. The final electoral rolls will be published on October 27th. Rationalization and rearrangement of polling stations will begin on August 17th. The issue has triggered concern among citizens group, particularly in Bengaluru. Around 49.42 lakh voters in Bengaluru, nearly half of the city's registered electorate, have been marked under the ASDDO category. The extension also comes after complaints that voters had limited time to challenge their classification. The Election Commission published the ASDDO names only on August 5th, with technical glitches further affecting access. Meanwhile, the CEO's office said 100% of enumeration forms have been distributed and digitized. Earlier, KPCC President P.K. Hariprasad had sought a 15-day extension, citing the large number of ASDDO categories.